Ladies and gentlemen, this is fucking gross. Welcome to today's office. You wouldn't believe it. What am I going on? Welcome to BTP. And you might be asking yourself, who, what, and bloody why is BTP? And today I'm going to tell you from my office space. But usually my office looks like this, or even this. BTP Plumbing is a maintenance plumbing company that specializes in emergency maintenance. While we take on commercial contracts, we primarily focus on residential jobs because that's where the passion is. I started plumbing over 10 years ago because I love pushing pipes together, but now I've fallen in love with the people and interpersonal connections and getting to meet new people every day. You know, it's pretty bloody exciting. I started plumbing for the love of problem solving, and a little hard work gets me off. But now I've stayed for the people. I've fallen in love with them. Why choose BTP, you might ask? And a little under half my life I've actually spent in the trade growing up, and I've seen massive gaps in the industry, primarily in proactive communication and transparency. And this is where BTP stands apart from everyone else. I keep my clients in the loop throughout the whole process. I actually take a lot of pride in this department. I take photos before, during, and after, illustrating what obstacles I had to overcome and what happened and the end result and what we found in the first place. If it's in a roof space or under a floor and I'm putting love into it, like I do everything, I want the client to see exactly what's happened. You bust your ass to earn the money you earn, and I want to make sure that you feel confident not only in the expert that I am, but also in the human that I am, that I'm able to offer that transparency and show you exactly what's going on from start to finish. Not like everyone else that I've ever worked for. Often and too often in the trades, you just handed a bill. You've got no idea what you're paying for. I don't operate like that. I like you to know exactly what's been fixed. I explain the same thing to every client. You go to a mechanic, you spend $1,500. If you're not an expert, you've got no idea what's going on. And especially with plumbing, it's a very niche industry. You can have 20 plumbers come through, but what sets them apart from the next one? That's the cat and mouse game I love. And this is actually how BTP started. I used to take photos to offer transparency to my clients for that value because I wanted to show them that I'm better than the next guy, which I bloody well am. And then I do a lot of work for high end clients because I am very thorough. And I started putting my reports together for them. And they said, Trent, this takes way too long for me to look at it all. Can you put it in a video? So I started doing that. And then I thought, man, I should just double up. I'll just chuck this on social media and do another voiceover. And you can actually go back to the start of BTP's videos and see how I was just plugging my business. And then the chaos slowly and started to come through. Chaos, some might say, authenticity, others might say. I grew up in a world, a very politically correct world, where everything I see on a screen, TV, my phone, computer, was such disconnect from what I felt in the real world. All my brothers and sisters, how they behaved, and what I saw on TV. And at the start of BTP, I didn't realize I could behave like this online. And then I realized there's actually rights in other countries, like free speech, and that you're able to, actually lean on those. It's been beautiful. But also speaking to that chaos, I've been plumbing for so long that I just like making fun of things in general. I'm a very self-depreciating individual, so I love really getting behind BTP, making shitty jokes about myself and having fun, making the day pass. I'm a sole trader, and I work by myself now. I can't hang shit on anyone else, so there's only me. So, so this is why I have so much fun and chaos. I'm just thinking about what's going on all throughout the day, what I'm doing plumbing wise, how I can push this, and what narrative I can send, how I can look crazy. I love it. And this is where the fun happens. This is where the passion comes. I get on site, I problem solve, I'm thinking about how to fix the thing, I'm thinking about content creating. I am just so bloody passionate about it. I live, eat, and breathe it. I just love plumbing.